Yelelelele. Yelele. Yelele. Meu amor me deixou. Meu amor me deixou. Chorando deixou. Sou por causa da tragarina. Meu amor me deixou. Sou por causa da tragarina. Meu amor me deixou. Todas as miúdas do Paraná até já namoram com meu namorado. Ele é todo meu, vou fazer sassas. Eu não quero mais tanto sofrimento. Sou a dama da zona rabuda que manda no requebrar. A crioula que voa te ama, te beija, faz viajar. Sou eu, sou eu, sou eu. Sou eu, sou eu, sou eu. Meu amor me deixou. Meu amor me deixou. Chorando deixou. Sou por causa da tragarina. Meu amor me deixou. Sou por causa da tragarina. Meu amor me deixou. Era tua bebê, menina mais linda daquela banda. Me deixaste aqui, chorando sozinha na nossa cama. Sole, ai ué, amendo com sole, vai me doer. Sou a dama da zona rabuda que manda não me quebrar. A crioula que cuia, te ama, te beija, faz viajar. Sou eu, sou eu, sou eu. Sou eu, sou eu, sou eu. Meu amor me deixou. Meu amor me deixou. Chorando deixou. Sou por causa da tragarina. Meu amor me deixou. Sou por causa da tragarina. Meu amor me deixou. Chiquito, me trocaste pela lembinha, aquela bem fininha. Tá me doer. Sou eu, sou eu, sou eu. Sou eu, sou eu, sou eu. Meu amor me deixou. Meu amor me deixou. Chorando deixou. Sou por causa da tragarina. Meu amor me deixou. Sou por causa da tragarina. Meu amor.
What do you want to do? What do you want to? Oh, okay. No. And then try again it.
This is Jacob is doing his artistic impression of Minus 2. Oh yes.
Wait, where's the river going?
Oh, okay. I was
-1.
Minus 1. All right.
-2.
Yes.
Chute goes down through here. Hole. There's a
She.
lateral. Like a little, there's a Boily Eddy line I was talking about. That makes it hard to boot. But you might be able to get around it here.
top of the -2. Here we are with Jacob.
This is the -1.
The -1, the -2, and we have Alec. Alec is our local guide. Well, not very local, but more local than us.
This is the -4.
-4,
No,
another
no.
day. No, not enough.
Today.
The walk was very stout, but the rapid is more stout. Woo! Jacob is gonna style the line.
Styling the lines.
Fuck the commercial tracks you doing. My brother gotta eat. Jam, hold your rap and food thing.
The music makes me high, even though I stay away from cannabis like Wyclef.
Deacon and no process.
Similar to Christ.
Got divine reps, so tell
If
me.
you know you're going down,
Why step?
show no mercy.
With rules and crews.
Get hit with more bricks than New Jerusalem.
Riddles confusing fools.
Like confusion rules.
Most cats are more square than Rubik's cubes.
We spit raps that are totally murderous.
The rhymes are like an anaconda serpent clutch.
So check out how these herbs get touched.
Unless your broad's giving us
Nigga,
brains.
you ain't serving us.
Deacon and no.
Cunning linguists with stunning English.
Our true lies break more punks than
Every Rehnquist
Very weak
with the
kids.
best speech. Roll with cats and smoke more trees than the slash and burn technique.
sex beats between bed sheets.
Red fleets, Pulp Fiction style.
Even your car with red
We
seats.
make like fly swatters and smash pads.
Put peeps under more pressure than a Kelly Price bed set.
Leaving bodies looking like samples from the Rorschach test.
Ink blots.
So fuck around and get your steam rocked.
Jugs in the back with the beam cocked.
The plots to have everything between LA and Queens locked.
Word, word, yo, check it out. Cunning linguist. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how we do. I mean, you probably don't know how we do, but you about to find out like what? Like what? Like what? Yeah. Like what? Like what? Check it. Check that shit out.
Baba God, now your hand working. Now your hand working. I say, to the sing and the dance and the people them rejoice. My brother, my sister, only today. Gorilla. Baba God, now your hand working. No be lie, I say no be lie. No be everybody. When sleep for night to wake up, see the light here. See the future is bright here. I need the enter for eye. Make you do your best here. Papa God go handle the rest.
That's a fact right here. This is the South African elephant. By volume, they have the largest penis size of any land mammal. If you can see when they're erect, their dick is so long that it would literally go right through you.
Again, cause you know easy. The sing and the dance and the people they rejoice. My brother, my sister, no be today. If you could do a bad day, make we the tongue of the day. Baba God, now your hand working. I see my people on a good day. Nobody will come for this one to suffer. Another day. Now you come today, another man tomorrow. My brother, which kind of life it is? Everybody getting always to follow. Try, but you know easy. Even if you don't get money, they go Surely they shake body. No need to let your body. If you no be God way. That's some baby dead body. Nobody be your baby. When you fall, you go stand up again. You try him again, again and again and again. Cause it's not easy, yeah. Oh, oh. So they sing and they dance and the people they rejoice, yeah. Oh, oh. My brother, my sister, no need today. Oh, oh. If you go to a party, you make with the tango, yeah. Baba God, now your hand for me. Bring it back.
Yeah. We're back at the Midas Rapids. The snack. My friend Arno Redlin. Yeah. This is the -2 and the -1. But time to hit up the -2 again and have a sick last day on the water for me. All right.
We're the bad man around here. Tell them someone to wrap up on a lip up on a chat up. I'm say. Because they better than, sicker than them. Better than, sicker than them. Dreader than dread. You ever look at me tell them say, yo, say what? We rise up and let the pussy them a ball. Some a hurry up all police with them a call. That now go stop me with the killing none at all. Tell them empty look no fear no sound none at all. Blood is splash out and mark up on the wall. So who you gonna run to? Who you gonna tell? So the whole of them if I see them gonna hell. This antelope and nobody can tell. Sicker than them, better than, sicker than them. Dreader than dread. You ever look at me tell them say, yo. And when we rise the machine them early morning, when it bust in the dance and tear off your ceiling. If your family a ball them get bad feeling. And we bust it from early straight till later. Bust it at the street and tear down all your gator. Any sound you say no a killing straight. This antelope a murder in a the place. What them a do? What them a try? Jump and a go die. What bye in a them eye. This antelope a bumbo class sound die. Who you gonna run to? Who you gonna tell? Send another jump and some gonna
I'm pretty sure that's a booty beer, Arno.
Milo, save me before I get eaten.
There's a croc. The boys are back in town.
Zambia life. Zambia. Climbing the gorge. I'm holding him up! He's a big boy!
I'm gonna go with Freud with this.
Bring it! Fuck it!
All right.
Chiquita,
Here.
I know you can show me.
You kidding me, man?
I know you.
Open up to love, Kai. Open up to love. So aggressive. Yeah.
Ooh-wee. We did good work today, boys. Gosh darn diddly do. That was a splendid poo. And it rhymed because it's true. Okay, take a pick a hand. Right or left? No, pick the other hand. See this? It's a dime, because you're a dime.